Good afternoon, Boone County teachers. This is Jenny Watson, Assistant Superintendent of Learning Support Services, and the fabulous Kim Thompson, Professional Development Coordinator, coming to you from LSS. And we wanted just to give you a quick little inspirational gift, hopefully, that will be coming to your inbox tomorrow, October 28th, for the first time. We hope to repeat these every Win Wednesdays for you, as we know that you're putting so much of your time and energy and effort into your students. You need to know that we notice that and we want to do something specifically for you on Win Wednesday. So, the what I need, this is what hopefully you need. And that's support and help, and all of us that are here to kind of circle around you. So please be on the lookout for that coming to you beginning on Wednesday. Kim Thompson's going to talk to you specifically about what this first week's gift will be.
Hey, Boone County educators. So tomorrow morning, be sure to check that inbox, something to look forward to bright and early in the morning on that Wednesday. We are going to offer for you tomorrow a short video. It will give you some overview of all of the professional learning offerings that we have for you and how we hope to support you as a professional in Boone County. For these Win Wednesdays to work, this first time we do need something from you. There is a link in that email tomorrow that will ask you for some feedback. In order for this to be beneficial to you, we want to hear from you. What do you need and want on your Win Wednesday emails? So be sure to check out the video, give us your feedback. We can't wait to hear from you. And as always, know that we are cheering for you every day and supporting you however we can. So don't hesitate to reach out. Hang in there, teachers.